Conduct trial is now deliberating after closing arguments this afternoon, where LeDoux is facing 12 counts, including 5 felonies. Our political reporter, Steve Kirsch, was in the courtroom as LeDoux took the stand in her own defense before those closing arguments. Steve?
Yeah, Dave. LeDoux answering both prosecution's and defense questions about the state allegations. The former lawmaker encouraged people who do not live in her East Anchorage district to vote for her in the 2018 primary and general elections. LeDoux said it was her understanding that the 2 people named in the charges, her close friend Lisa Simpson and her son Caden Vaught, were living in temporary residences with a plan to return or move to permanent residences in her district, District 15. LeDoux and her attorney Kevin Fitzgerald argued that this is allowed under Alaska statute. However, the prosecution argued this is not an accurate interpretation of Alaska law for voter residency.
In no time did either of them fix their habitation to either of those residences. In no time did either of them intend to return to either of those residences.
The state hasn't even overcome that presumption that applies to somebody's claimed residency. The state hasn't proved, even by a preponderance, that Miss LeDoux had the culpable mental state and took acts consistent with that mental state to constitute a crime.
As we mentioned, the jury is currently deliberating its verdict. Judge Kevin Saxby says he anticipated a verdict Friday morning. We will keep you updated. Steve Kirsch, Alaska's news source.